How to connect laptop to monitor. So let's get started. First of all, determine your laptop's video output option. Most PC laptops have at least one port that can be used for video output. The most common ports are HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB. Then simply determine your monitor's video output. Most modern monitors have HDMI, USB-C and/or DisplayPort video inputs. If you have the same type of port on both the laptop and the monitor, such as HDMI on both, you can get a standard cable. After that, use cable to connect your laptop to the monitor. Plug on the end of the cable into your laptop's video port and the other end into monitor's video input port. Use an adapter to bridge the connection if necessary. Plug in and turn on the monitor. Attach your monitor to a power source, example an electrical outlet, then press the monitor's power button. Once connected, you should see your laptop's desktop and icons or some variation thereof appear on the monitor screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.